So do you actually act as a realtor for them?
No, so whenever we buy a home, it's my job to go in and assess the property and see what repairs it needs.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just oversee the project being done, the renovations.
Sounds like a lot of work.
It can be if you're not pretty good at managing your time.
So remodeling, you also do the remodeling too?
No, I just basically a project manager, so I basically just oversee the GC is getting it done in time and good quality.
Let's go and grab the handlebars up here. Actually up here.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes, sir. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on. That was a good click.
Yeah. Yeah, you never really know how property taxes affect people too, actually, on the receiving end.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, just, it's crazy.
Yeah, this economy's not too, it's so bad right now.
Yeah, all those interest rates? Man.
Yeah, it's hurting everybody.
Yeah, tell me about it. Our company had to, I think we cut 18%, so about like 550 employees.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Let's go and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in again, breathe out, breathe in again, breathe out. Let's go and relax your arms on the armrest. Gentle. Alright, gently. And one more. Okay, let's go and line your left side and face the wall. And I think you had another family member who came here too?
Yeah, either my dad or my cousin.
Okay. Let's go line your back. Sit down toward me. Cross your arms. Roll. Let's try to pop it here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Awesome, awesome. How does it feel?
Yeah, I feel like instant relief. My lower back was bugging me for a while, and
Does it stretch help out?
yeah, like as soon as you do that, like I feel that little pressure release.
Awesome, awesome. Other side.
Yeah, that's probably never worked because I do the hip thing and I pop it myself.
Any issues with your foot and ankles?
No, my right shoulder here.
Shoulder? Okay,
Yeah.
let's work on the shoulder. Let's go sit up and face the wall.
Angle and it'll stand.
Okay, so we'll address the shoulder and then the elbow and the wrist. And then we've already left elbow. This is going to address the shoulder. And the right side. This is for the elbow now. Fingers in the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the left side. Is it Native American tattoos?
More like mine.
Mine? Okay. Okay, let's go get up and walk around and see how that feels.
Yeah, not way better.
Can you tell our viewers at home how you felt after the adjustment?
Oh, instant relief.
Awesome.
Usually feel the like stinging and stuff down my lower back, but after this, I'm good for another month.
Awesome, awesome. We'll
Yeah.
look forward to having you again.
Yeah, of course I'll be back.
All right.
Yeah,
Let's
thank
go
you.
and get you on some more stuff next door.